seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Esta parte de la izquierda la he puesto solamente a modo de apoyo, no se ha de instalar aún, se instala luego más adelante, ya que si no, no podrías acabar de montar el mueble, tenerlo en cuenta.
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Como veis, el kit, los muebles bajos, se componen de dos piezas. Tenemos por un lado la derecha, donde va el fregadero, el horno, la vitro y un pequeño armario de almacenaje en medio, para basura o lo que quieras. Y luego a la izquierda, la parte de los cajones, que es lo que estoy montando ahora. Es importante tenerlo en cuenta, ya que luego si desmontas la caja y ves, oye, que me falta una parte, no, son dos piezas completamente independientes que luego las unes entre sí. Aquí, como veis, ya las estoy atornillando entre sí. Habéis de tener en cuenta siempre cuando pongáis los tornillos, los rieles de los cajones y todas esas cositas. Más que nada que luego, si lo haces después los rieles, pues podrá ser que te encuentres ahí un tornillo y no puedas instalarlos correctamente. Para hacer los agujeros en la encimera, o sea, donde va a ir el fregadero, donde va a ir también la vitro, es muy importante, primero de todo, medir muy bien. Y una vez lo tenemos medido, todos los giros, hacer un agujero con un taladro, que quepa la sierra por el medio. Así no tendremos que hacer ningún tipo de giro brusco que rompería la sierra, etcétera, y nos va a facilitar muchísimo la tarea.
I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
El horno es tan fácil como colocarlo en el espacio adecuado y habilitado para ello. Es recomendable primero poner el horno y luego la vitro, y luego simplemente hay 2 tornillos, uno a la izquierda y otro a la derecha, que es lo que sujetan el horno en su posición.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you...
Aquí es muy importante poner bien todas las gomas que vienen en el kit de desagüe y en el fregadero, ya que de esta manera pues evitaremos cualquier tipo de fugas. Centrarlo bien también es muy importante y ajustar.
you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
En este caso, como que no había cocina, ni hay conexiones de agua, ni bajantes en la pared, como podréis comprobar a la derecha, pues lo que he decidido ha sido pasar la tubería de multicapa que nos va a llevar el agua fría y el agua caliente hacia el fregadero a través del mismo mueble, y así queda lo más recogido posible.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.
Es muy importante cuando realizamos conexiones entre tuberías encolar bien, poner cola para PVC, para desagües. En cualquier ferretería os la venderán. La que viene con pincel es muy buena, ya que es fácil de aplicar.
Play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's was always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell
En mi caso, las tomas de agua más cercanas para poder abastecer de agua a la cocina estaban en el baño, que está justo al otro lado de donde estoy montando la cocina. Por tanto, aquí estoy haciendo los agujeros para pasar las tuberías de multicapa y así poder alimentar la cocina de agua. Luego también procederé a hacer el desagüe para que desagüe por aquí también el fregadero de la cocina.
They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try it anyway.
Tener en cuenta que todos estos herrajes, los latiguillos, el desagüe, etcétera, irán luego cubiertos por un mueble que va debajo del lavamanos del baño y de esta manera queda escondido.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
Bueno, falta poner los enchufes y el rebosadero simplemente aquí bien puestos, pero veis, ya hay instalaciones. Yay.
This pain you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you.
En este caso voy a instalar los tiradores que pongo siempre, ya lo sabéis, en todos mis vídeos. Son tiradores de Amazon, vienen un kit de 10 tiradores por unos 20-24 euros. Hoy en día os pondré los links abajo de este vídeo, con otros links que pueden ser de interés, que van relacionados con el montaje de la cocina.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Vamos a ver ahora los números de esta cocina. Me voy a hacer pequeñito para que podáis ver aquí mi Excel. Ya sabéis, yo siempre os digo cuando vayáis a hacer una reforma, siempre una lista de Excel con todos los materiales, etcétera, de cara a saber cuánto os va a costar. Eso es muy importante. Y además luego que también os lo pone todo mucho más fácil. No tienes que ir haciendo ahora esto, ahora lo otro, etcétera. No, lo puedes incluso comprar todo por internet, hacer un click and collect e ir a buscarlo sin problemas. Entonces, de Ikea tenemos el kit modular de la cocina que habéis visto, que incluye este kit también lo que es el fregadero, el grifo y el desagüe del fregadero. Pero no incluye electrodomésticos, es decir, la campana extractora han sido 129 euros, el horno 199, la Vitro 249, filtro de carbón también he comprado, una bandeja de cubiertos también para uno de los cajones, bueno, y luego todas las historias, ¿no? Para poder hacer todas las conexiones de agua, ya sea los codos multicapa, el multicapa en sí, los bajantes, silicona, tornillería y tacos, los cables de tensión para los electrodomésticos, etcétera, etcétera, etcétera. Todo esto ha costado 1.251 euros con IVA, 1.034 euros sin IVA. Evidentemente, yo he hecho la mano de obra, como habéis podido ver a lo largo del vídeo. Por tanto, podéis ver una cocina súper completa, con todo lo imprescindible, etcétera, por 1.000 euros. Creo que es muy buena. Hay gente que comentó en Instagram, etcétera, que es una cocina que se va a caer en cualquier segundo, etcétera. Oye, le han montado varias veces, es una cocina que aguanta, que está bien, que hace su función y bien montada y todo bien estructurado, pues no tiene por qué dar ningún problema. A ver, hoy en día la mayoría de cocinas, te guste más o te guste menos, pues son modulares y además son de aglomerado, no son de madera maciza. Hoy en día cocinas de madera maciza se ven muy pocas. Es una muy buena opción para pisos de inversión e intentar adaptar esta cocina al espacio que tengamos. En el caso de que quepa, evidentemente, hay una opción más pequeñita también. Podéis investigar dentro de Ikea el modelo Knoxhult. Ya sabéis que Ikea esos nombres pues son complicados. Pero bueno, es una muy buena opción. Yo en mi caso, en cuanto a la nevera se refiere, he cogido una de segunda mano, que como habéis visto es bastante óptima, con 6 meses de garantía. Y me ha costado, si no recuerdo mal, unos 180 euros, que está pues bien dentro de una normalidad. Así que nada, espero que os haya gustado este vídeo de montaje de cocina, que os animéis también, quien quiera, a montar la suya, sobre todo si tenéis ya las conexiones de agua en el sitio donde va el fregadero, justo ahí detrás, pues claro, se facilita un montón todo, porque no has de ir a buscar el agua, como en mi caso, al baño de al lado, ¿no? Así que nada, os animo a hacer vuestras reformas siempre desde una seguridad importantísimo y con tranquilidad, ya que os podéis ahorrar un buen pellizco de cara luego a vuestro retorno de inversión. ¡Un abrazo!